I know I sound terrible, but me and a bunch of my friends, we had a great time. The last 2 days we had a great time together. Anyway, I'm keeping my work in progress. So the big thing in the back is gone. I took it off. Kochani, róbcie to, co czasami was przeraża, ale jest dla was interesujące. Lecimy! This car behind me came from friends and I wanted to register it in Poland. To do that, I had to fix it. Otherwise, if I would go to the control station, they would kick me off and it would say, fuck off. It's not a car. It wouldn't go through it wouldn't pass the exam. So I fixed it. It took me a long time and cost me a lot of money, but let me show you. Everything is mechanically, everything is really okay. If you look at it, it's still crap. It's still like piece of rubbish, but it's not. Mechanically, it's not. Maybe a little things left to be done. A little tiny things like braking hoses. They have really tiny cracks. I could leave them the way they are, but I don't want to be surprised. I don't want to be disappointed with some kind of leak if I go far away. So even these small things, they'll be changed. Maybe the suspension part a little bit. I can put something stronger in it. If I find something, it will be everything sanded and painted, but that's the second stage. And maybe that small things, like it's quite rusty and I want to maybe replace it if it's gonna be necessary, but I want to make sure that I'll do everything what has to be done. As I told you, now it has a Polish reg. So when it passed the exam just like that, the guy said he looks like shit, but it's really good car now, like mechanically. And the trolley came off. It's gone. So now it's the whole frame is empty, and it gives me an easy access to everything else. And that's the first stage, finished, complete. The second stage is to do the body parts, and I know that everyone who see this project so far could say, I don't understand this guy. It's a piece of rubbish. What is he going to do with that? And only when I finish the second stage, everything will become obvious. When you will look at this car after the second stage, you can say, yeah, all right, now it looks fine. It's a great base to put some container and turn it into camper, into van. So I know there wasn't nothing exciting to see. There was nothing interesting to see so far, but it's gonna change with the second stage. I had already picked the color, some kind of expedition car color, and I know it's gonna look really nice when I finish with the second stage. But this will gonna take a long time because, as you can see, there's so much things to be done, needs to be done, that it's gonna take few weeks maybe. And the guy who said he's gonna do that, he said if I really want to make it quicker, I have to disassemble everything in the cabin. So I have to take all the seats off, floor, maybe ceiling, right, to take this off, and a little bit of dashboard. As much as I can take off, I will take everything off and get rid of it, leave it here, and go with the empty car to the specialist. So no time to waste. I'm just going to work now.
I'll admit I was wrong, but is love really about who's being right? I keep writing these songs to feel better, but I can't sleep through the night.
I took off everything I could. Seats, piece of dashboard, steps, floor, top, the ceiling, and many different things, side doors, protection, all that stuff. So there's many things now on the outside, and it's quite empty in the inside. Naked van. with holes. Oh yeah, I had to. I just couldn't take them down because of the seat belts, the front seats. I couldn't take them down, but here the ceiling is just a piece of metal. Everywhere is clean metal, and here only now you can see again how bad it is. But it gives me so much pleasure if I bring this car to the good shape. It's a part of it. That's the way I see it. Loads of dashboard came off. Here I will take this one off again, as well, because I want to put some special protection to not have so much noise inside. Okay, quick round around. And on Monday morning this car goes to the guy who's gonna repair it, and I'll try to give him a hand to make it as fast as it'll be possible. Look through these holes. Okay, it's ready for the rest of work that needs to be done. Anyway, I don't think you will see this car very soon, because it's gonna take some time. There'll be nothing to show. Maybe in the meantime, once in the meantime, what I'll be doing, I'll try to help this guy with the car, and I'll finish my course, motor paragliding course. And I'll try to fly a little bit over the world and see my places here around, and having good fun, working on it, having good fun. And that's it, more or less. Take care and good luck. Ciao. Kółeczka, widokowe kółeczka.